So we were driving around South Island. What have you done, Ethan?
I bought an exhaust because I was bored.
Is it a nice, quiet, streetable one?
No, not at all.
Okay, shall we go and have a look? So what's at the moment? So this is a 2-litre quad. 2-litre twin cam WRX. 2-litre twin cam Impreza, non-turbo, manual. It's a cool little roller. It's just daily. He's lowered it, and that's about it so far. And we've put some sounds in it, of course, because you've got to have sounds. So here's the system. It's an Xforce, as we said, bought it off the internet. Bolts straight on, so what could possibly go wrong? It's got a silencer in it, which we decided we should remove because, well, it's a silencer. So anyway, let's see how this goes. Current in there is 1.9 inch, we reckon. I mean, you can see it on the gauges there. It's upside down, of course. The one we're putting on, measure it 2.2 inch. So it should be interesting. We've taken the silencer out because we think it's going to be too quiet. So let's see how that works out.
So, what I do is I find the right tool. That there, it's like it looks like a 14. I'd spray at the thread end with a bit of penetrating, and then get your ratchet at 14 and start undoing those.
Okay.
Make them loose, don't undo them completely, and then work your way back. I'd do this one here. That one's probably easier to do first. But yeah, just loosen that, crack those,
And off we go.
and off you go.
Gotta tell me what pulling.
I'm pulling.
There we go, got them both lined up next to each other. Looks pretty good. Everything seems to be the same. It's actually not that much bigger, to be fair. Cool. Let's see what it's like in. Oh, look at that. You guys almost got it together. Are you excited about this, Ethan?
Yes.
Yeah? What do you got to do now?
Put it in the car.
Man,
I'm just holding the height up.
have you got the bolts here?
They're somewhere around here.
We've pre-hung it. Sits there quite nicely. It actually sits there very nicely. Symmetrical, which is a big thing to me. I'm just lining up the bolts. We have to go get some longer bolts. So almost bolt on, but pretty bloody close. So we go, Ethan's got the bolts done up. Okay, you go tighten them.
Thank you.
Don't do one all the way up, do them like together, bit by bit.
Like that.
Cars, eh?
I love lowering cars.
Same, it's fun.
It's the best thing.
Means the job's done.
Ready?
Yep.
Do I close the boot?
But you go 2 hands, it's really slow.
You're trying to